I'm Joe Beermaster, and today I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out on a 14 Hyundai Elantra. So either change a bulb or to replace the assembly. This car was involved in a collision, so we're taking the bumper cover off, but it still applies if a bulb goes out, reverse light, stop light, turn signal. First thing we do is open the hatch. And you'll notice in here there are 3 bolts. They either have a Phillips screwdriver head or a 10mm. So we're going to take them out. Also notice this bumper here is in there. We may have to take that off as well. I believe we have to. So now the key to these tail lights are, well, that's definitely got to come off. Is once I get that off, we're going to wiggle it. And then if it doesn't come off, we're going to hold it with the left hand and sort of smack it with the right hand, because there's push pins in here. And the push pins have to come out of the socket and they hold in pretty tight. Alright, so we're going to try again. So it came loose. And there you go. Now I can unplug it from the harness, or I could take each bulb out. I'll give you an example. I'm going to take this bulb out. There it is. And if you need to replace it, you just twist it. And in this area here, the silver area, there's a number. You can order that from your local supply house. We're just going to twist it, and there it is. There's little numbers on here. I don't know if you can see them, but they're there. But you can tell your local supply house the model and all. They'll tell you what to put in. You put the new bulb in, screw it in, it only fits a certain way. And then you reverse the whole process, and that's how you do it. If you want to replace the whole harness, you can take each socket out, or there's a disconnect in here. You can pull this out, and there's a disconnect on the inside. Pull this grommet out, and then there's the quick disconnect for the. Press that little button, slide that out if you need to get the whole light out. Joe Beermaster. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.